In this video I'm going to show you guys how to change your default language on Windows 10. So let's get started. First of all, open your Windows settings by clicking on the start icon, and then right here it says settings. Then click on time and language. Go to language right here, and then you can change the language right here. But for you it probably only says one language. So to add more languages or the preferred one, just click on add a Windows display language in the Microsoft Store. And right here you see all kinds of languages, and you can download yours or download the English one, and yeah, and add it to your preferred languages. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.